Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com, located right here in Houston, Texas. We're actually in Porter, just north of Houston, about 20-30 minutes or so from downtown Houston, in the Kingwood area, just right off of North Park and 59, jaunt on over to Loop 494, and we're right there. So we are your Houston, Texas pressure washing and soft washing supply store. So if you're ever in the area, please feel free to stop in, talk to us. If there's anything we can do to help you in your business, we'd love to do that. Hey, today I've got a skid for a customer that goes in the back of a truck, a 6-foot mini skid that he dropped off to us to go through, and he's ready to sell it. He's used it for about 1.5 years, I think, about 2 years, and just kind of busy with some other things, and it's ready to sell it. So thought I'd go through it and let y'all take a look at it just in case anybody is interested. So I've got that coming up next. All right, quick reminder too, our next hands-on training is coming up March 14th, right here, both in Houston as well as Valdosta, Georgia, with Judd West. I'll be teaching the one here in Houston, and Judd West teaches the one in Valdosta. So that's March 14th. You can go to PressureWashingSchool.com to get all the details. And if you have any questions or you need to reach out to me to ask about anything for either location, you can email learn@PressureWashingSchool.com, or you can call or text 281-883-3630. Okay, guys, so this is a skid system for a 6-foot truck, smaller kind of mini skid type, if you will. And if you're interested in this, I'm going to go through it. If you're interested in this unit, you can call us or text us at 281-612-1223. That's the store phone number. And we'll be happy to hook you up with the owner of it so that y'all can discuss price. I don't know what he's asking for it. I just know that he asked us to go through it. He dropped it off here and go through it and make sure everything's operating properly, which we did. We went through the pressure washer, the starter solenoid down here was starting to go bad, so we replaced that, changed the oils, made sure the unloader was set properly, and actually had to adjust it a little bit. And then we also replaced the soft wash pump. He had a Remco, and we put the flow jet that we sell. It's the only 12-volt pump that I use and sell because it's the best pump that I've ever used. And so, but anyway, you can just call us or text us there at the store, or you could email us info@DougRuckerStore.com. We'll hook you up with the owner, and y'all can discuss price and delivery and all that kind of stuff. But it's here at our shop. If anybody wants to see it locally, then you can come by the store as well. But again, it's a 6-foot skid. It's got the surface cleaner rack on top with the surface cleaner, BE 20-inch floater. And so you've got the 5-gallon per minute gear drive electric start pressure washer. These are ones that we used to sell a couple of years ago. Got a couple of different wands, an adjustable wand, pressure wash gun assembly down there, and it's got the bleach tank fill kit for the bleach tank. You got 2 tanks, 100-gallon water, 100-gallon bleach tank. You got the Flow Pro system, as you see it right there, and then the remote control box is over here. 3 of the manual King's reels. You got 200 feet of, well, there it is right there. 200 feet of Fierce Jet pressure hose with a ball valve. You got 5/8 soft wash hose, Flexilla, and the gun, soft wash ball valve gun, not J-rod nozzle setup. And then you've got Flexilla garden hose fill up. And again, 2 100-gallon tanks. And these are all slimline tanks, so you got plenty of room in the bed of the skid. And we, of course, got it on rollers. I don't know if y'all ever had these rollers before, but man, it makes moving these things easy. In the shop, battery for the 12-volt system is a two-valve system, one for the water tank, one for your bleach tank, and you just add your soap to your bleach. That's how I do it. I don't use a separate valve and have a separate tank for soap. But that's pretty much the whole system. And again, this is for a 6-foot skid, and this is a 6-foot skid for like a 6-foot truck, small Toyota, Chevys, Fords, whatever. 5.5 to 6 foot, it should fit just fine. And anything you need to know about it, again, just call or text us 281-612-1223. He used this for about 1.5 years, 2 years. Everything is running great, and he just has a couple other businesses that he's devoting more time to, and just felt like it was time to sell it. Did very well with it, and I think he only came in one time for any type of issues. That was right when we bought it, and we had a problem with the Remco pump, and so we replaced it with another one, and then that one ran pretty much all the time. And but anyway, that's the skid. I don't think I've missed anything. Ladder rack, of course, so you can put your ladders up there. Nice, compact, tight little unit. Make a great house washing light commercial skid for the back of a truck. And so again, if you have any questions about it, I've told you twice how to get a hold of us, and we'll hook you up with a customer.